Hi, my name is Molly Ness. I am an expert in the science of reading. I'm a teacher educator, and I'm the author of this book, Read Aloud for All Learners. I've written this book to help teachers and school leaders understand that read alouds are the best way to facilitate students' language comprehension. They build background knowledge, they build vocabulary, they expose students to higher level text that helps them understand semantics and syntax of language. I also wrote it because the research shows that most of us don't intentionally plan our read alouds. And research also shows that when we don't plan our read alouds, we miss instructional opportunities. This happened to me when I was a classroom teacher. So I've devised a planning protocol that can be applied to any text to maximize the instructional opportunities of read alouds so that we build students' language comprehension and their background knowledge and their vocabulary. In the book, you'll find this planning protocol as well as several different read alouds to be applied in any content area, K through 8 classrooms. You'll understand how and when to read aloud, how to make the most of that time, and where to find the best books for your read alouds. I encourage you to check out the resources and bring me to your school to help support language comprehension through intentionally planned read alouds.